As a chef, Dolmio sauces are one of my absolute all-time store cupboard classics. I use them in a host of recipes. I even use them cold for dips in sharing platters and starters. They're ambient, they're really quick, and I'm going to show you two really great recipes using tomato and basil sauce. My first one is a great recipe. It is gnocchi with cabbage and bacon. So I'm going to cut all my lovely vegetables. I've got some mushrooms, red onion and garlic here. Just going to give these a nice dice. Try and use as much as you can. Put that in a bowl. Wonderful mushrooms. We get some beautiful bacon. Cut that into nice pieces. Ready to fry. Take your time. There we go. So I'm going to blanch the gnocchi in some salted water. I'm going to fry off my mushrooms, onions and bacon. I'm just going to gently cook them down, get a little bit of colour on there. Get rid of all the water so they fry gently. Cabbage is going in. I'm going to add some nice garlic, some beautiful grated garlic. Get all that garlic in. It's going to smell amazing now that garlic's gone in there. I'm then going to add some caraway, Dolmio tomato and basil sauce. Beautiful, let's just get that up to the right temperature, get it simmering nicely. Then we're going to add our gnocchi, which is now ready. It's floating on the water, so that tells you your gnocchi is ready. So I'm just going to add my gnocchi now. There we go. Gently folding in the gnocchi. Put my gnocchi into my oven-proof dish. Wonderful. Then place in the oven at 180 for about 20 minutes. Just going to give it a little swirl of creme fraiche, some grated parmesan. I'm just going to slice up some chicken carefully. Nice even sized pieces. Take your time. Just going to fry the chicken off. And the chorizo. Just going to gently fry that off till it goes a nice light brown colour. You see how the fat from the chorizos turn a beautiful red colour. Nice some onion. Get my onions in the pan. Some grated garlic. Give the onions and the veg a nice stir. And some Cajun spice. Just going to put in Ben's original long grain rice and some Dolmio tomato and basil sauce. Just gently stir that in. Get all that rice coated and all them lovely juices and sauce. Finally in with my ready-made chicken stock. And we cook that for about 15 minutes. Until the rice has absorbed all the stock and it is just nice and tender. And there you have it. There's 5 ways with Dolmio tomato and basil sauce. For all the recipe information, come to the website.